Hey guys, so today I've got a box that I've never had before and it is called Bats and Bubbles box. Now this is like a bath product kind of box, but like a creepy one. So I thought that I would show you. Now I've got two little leaflet things. I've got this one which says thanks for letting us be your Valentine, because this was the February Valentine's box, so I apologise, it's so late. This was the dark Valentine box and this is the petite version, so they have two sizes. This smaller one and then obviously a larger one. It says we're a new subscription box from Canada, we ship worldwide, which is great. This is the petite size version. You get at least 2 bath products in this, as well as other spooky surprises, candles, jewellery, prints, etc. This size is $35 plus shipping, and then it's got their website, which I will put down below for anyone who is interested. So it says what's in this box, and there is like a list of stuff, but I'm gonna get it out and show you first. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. It says Bats and Bubbles box there. Then it has this cute little Valentine. So this is really sweet. This is a vintage used Valentine from an antique store. So looks like this. It says I'm stuck on you, be my Valentine, and then on the back it just says to Isabel from Edward. That's like the cutest thing ever. Like you can tell that that's old and that's like from a child, which is so sweet. So I'll probably keep this. I don't know why, there's just something really cute about it, that like some little kid wrote this in school or something for someone. That's really sweet. So yeah, that is our little thing on the top. And then, oh, it's very pretty in here. So when you open it up, it looks like this. There's all little like rose petals and stuff, and it smells absolutely amazing. Like I wish you could smell this right now, because this smells insane. And I think it looks like there's maybe 4 or 5 things in here. So I don't know what any of them are at the moment. I've seen the list but not the items. So this one is wrapped all cute like this in some paper. Oh my god, the smell is insane. Like, wow. Okay, oh that's so cute. Okay, so this is, looks like a bath bomb, and it has like a 3D knife with blood splatters. I'm not going to open any of these because it'll just probably make a crumbly mess, but that is absolutely adorable. It does say on the back what these are, so I'll read it out. So it says this is pumpkin pecan waffle. That sounds amazing. I can smell it a little bit, but there's something else in here that smells stronger, maybe of cherry or something, so that is the scent I'm getting at the minute. But oh my god. Okay, so does it say anything else on here? It's a bath bomb in pumpkin pecan waffle from Dee's Holiday Hut. So these are obviously from different places. That's our first one. Then we also have a little, I'm assuming this is a little lolly in here, which is like a really, really dark red, nearly black love heart. Then we have another package. This one feels like a coffin. It is a coffin. So it looks like this. It's black with like green dribbly bits and what looks like dried rose petals in there. This one says Death and Decay from Lavandula Lane, or maybe it's called Lavandula Lane. Let me see. Oh no, I think it's from Lavandula Lane. And it is fresh citrus. Can definitely smell it a little bit. Oh yeah, can definitely smell it through there. Kind of like a lemony, limey, kind of, yeah, maybe lemon scented, but that is very cute. I would assume that's probably going to turn your water black because, well, because it's black. So that is our second one. Then next, let's do this one. This is heavy. Oh, and it's sparkly. Okay. There is glitter that's going to go everywhere with this one. Let's see. Oh gosh, okay. This is a little messy and very sparkly. I feel like I'm going to have to open it to show you though. Just 1 minute. Oh gosh. Real messy. Okay. I think this is a cupcake. Oh. Take it out. So this is what it looks like. This is what I can smell all through the box. It smells amazing. This bit on the top has kind of crumbled off. That's what's making the mess. But let's see what it says about this one. So, oh, that Wally, by the way, is blackberry from Smash Candies, it says. And then blood splatter cupcake in blackberry, specially made for us by Bath Time Fizz. So blackberry, that is the scent I can smell all through this box. It smells absolutely incredible. Like, if I could smell like that all the time, I probably would. A little bit messy, but very cute, and I bet that makes you smell amazing. And then we have one last item, which is in here, and I just caught a glimpse of this on the little sheet and it said it was a soap. Yep. So this is what the soap looks like. It's got this little diamante bit around the outside and a spider in there. And this is My Bloody Valentine soap with spider in raspberry from Sugar and Spice. So yeah, that is everything in the Bats and Bubbles box. Like I said, this is the petite version and they ship worldwide. I'll put all the info for them down below. But just to do a little overview again, we have the raspberry soap with the spider. We have the blood splatter cupcake, which is blackberry. We have this really cool black and green Coffin bath bomb, which is citrus, fresh citrus. We have this really cute, I think this one is probably my favourite, this heart with the knife in it. And this one is pumpkin pecan waffle, which sounds incredible. And then we have this really cute little vintage Valentine's card as well. So these are our 5 little things in the box. So I hope you liked the video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. Like I said, I'll put all the info down below for this box in case any of you want to go check it out. I'm not sure how much the bigger box is and like how many extra items you get and stuff, but if you really love like creepy bath stuff, then this is very, very cute. But yeah, thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.